Hello and welcome to third episode of New Hobby Workshop. As you see, wall painting is done, pipes and radiators are painted and ready to mount back on, and also window is renovated. Now I need to lay the laminate on the floor and renovate the door. I leave the door for the end because I need to cut them from the bottom and then we'll paint entire door. I already bought the laminate, but firstly I will make wooden base shoe, or whatever it called, the wooden sticks which come around to hide gaps between walls and laminate. As you see, grandfather always liked to help if he can, and also today he was. So the base shoe are done, in this case out of ash wood. Now I need to paint them. I chose transparent water-based wood varnish. I paint them with a brush, and when the first layer is done, I sand them with a fine sandpaper and apply another layer. They come out quite nice. Now I need to vacuum the floor as much as possible. For maximum vacuum cleaner power, replace the bag. That step is really important, so you don't have any dirt under the laminate, which will produce noise in the future. Here I got 3mm XPS sponge which come under the laminate. It works as temperature and sound insulator, and also lines small bumps on the floor. And here's the laminate I got in local store. It's 32 class, which should be a bit stronger, and bright color, so the room will be even brighter. Price of that laminate was about €12 per square meter. Okay, let's start. Firstly put XPS sponge on the floor and tape it together. Then just start laying the laminate. First line I need to cut a bit by a long edge, because walls are not perfectly straight. All the time we need to be careful, so there's about a centimeter of gap between walls and laminate, so it can expand due to temperature and humidity changing. And done. It looked like a lot of work, but actually it was done in a few hours, and the difference is huge. I didn't complicate it too much. Some small gap around the door will simply fill with acrylic putty, so the dirt can go under the laminate, and between door come another aluminium profile. Now I can continue with installing the base shoe. Okay, floors are done. Also with base shoe didn't complicate it and just fix it with screws, because there will be closet and tables all around, so no one will see them again. Now I can hook the radiator on the holders, assemble them, connect the water lines, bleed out the air and replace the valve head with thermostatic one. Radiator is already hot and there's no water leakage, which is great. You just need a few hot days so the paint will fully dry and stop smelling. Floor is now a bit higher because laminate is thicker than the linoleum before, so I need to cut the door a bit from the bottom, clean and sand the entire door and frame and apply new varnish. I apply water-based lacquer with the spray gun for the first time. I wasn't impressed by the result, but a few hours later when it's dry it come out quite nicely. And house wasn't smell at all. So I just sand again with fine sandpaper and apply another layer. This time mix it with some more water. When everything is dry, put back on all the fittings and seals and that's it. Door looks like new one again. And they may be better like some new paper ones. That's about it for third episode. Place is ready to bring in the furniture. I don't know how it's going in the future with episodes, because I got some sponsors for equipment. But stay tuned and you'll see everything. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe if you like, and see you next time.